Welcome to Decent Channel. We will introduce the fan silencer project for Singapore's key government, water, and environmental governance program. Our direct partner is UES, a well-established local environmental engineering firm founded in 1966. It specializes in water treatment and large-scale infrastructure. This project is led by Singapore PUB and NEA, with China Harbour Engineering Company as co-builder. Lee Hsien Loong, the third Prime Minister of Singapore, has visited and guided the project, making it a highly credible industry benchmark. Singapore government projects follow strict management rules. All on-site personnel must file reports in advance and apply for exclusive access passes. Prior to our on-site visit, both parties held numerous rounds of in-depth technical discussions. We studied, calculated, and verified documents related to local international noise standards repeatedly. According to stringent operational requirements, we revised the design proposals, material selection, overall dimensions, and plate thickness many times until the final technical solution was confirmed. Our team traveled to Singapore twice. We held in-depth technical meetings and confirmed parameters and documents, and finally secured the official order. Singapore enforces strict standards for construction noise, with the noise limit set at 60 to 75 decibels. Government authorities will step in immediately once noise exceeds the specified limit. High-standard projects require top-tier craftsmanship. Our welders pass strict professional assessments. All of them hold valid certificates and have 10 to 20 years of pressure vessel welding experience. We produced test plates for laboratory inspection before mass production. After all the welding work was finished, the client's professional staff conducted the first round of preliminary inspection. Then international authoritative third-party BV carried out full-quality inspection. We started with comprehensive visual inspections on welds, followed by ultrasonic flaw detection to check for internal pores, cracks, and other defects. Unlike most manufacturers that only focus on welded surface appearance, our welds maintain superior quality both internally and externally. All testing instruments we utilize carry valid calibration certificates, and full sets of inspection reports are complete and traceable. Such rigorous standards are rare in domestic industry and are core advantage for high-end overseas markets. As a coastal city, Singapore has high salt content in the air, so outdoor equipment requires excellent anti-corrosion performance. We adopt enclosed professional shot blasting equipment instead of traditional manual polishing. High-speed steel balls create uniform matte surface on steel plates to greatly improve paint adhesion. We applied a 3-layer painting system, including anti-rust primers, intermediate coating, and top coating. We accurately measure paint film thickness after each layer and keep all records. The official painting report is provided to resist salt corrosion and ensure long-term stable operation. From technical communication, welder qualification assessment, and multi-level quality inspection, to sophisticated anti-corrosion painting, standardized procedures, and complete documents, our solid quality guarantee for every high-end client